Yeah, fine, guys. Good morning once again. Let's get into the subject. First of all, let me revise what we learned yesterday. Yesterday, I was talking about Spring Boot Mail. It provides abstraction on Java Mail API. What do you mean by abstraction? In Java Mail API, we need to write everything in detail in order to complete our work done. But when it comes to Spring Boot Mail, it provides abstraction. You just give hints, remaining everything will be taken care by what? Framework. And you know that Spring Boot is known for what purpose, guys? Auto configuration. That means based on the jars, starters that we have added to the application, and based on the inputs we provide from application.properties file or YML file. So a lot of things will be taken care by Spring Boot framework internally and automatically. So that feature is the great feature, and which we know as what? Auto configuration. So later we started understanding some HR interview questions. What is the first work you do after going to company? When you want a leave, when you want to apply the leave, how do you approach that? Then we started understanding architecture of mail server and mail clients. In that process, we noticed every mail server will have one incoming server, one outgoing server. Outgoing server is managed with SMTP protocol. Incoming server is managed with what? POP3 or IMAP protocol. And we understood the difference between POP3 protocol and IMAP protocol. POP3 means what? Post office protocol. IMAP, internet mail accessing protocol. SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. Lastly, we started understanding what is that? We started really understanding the structure of email, the block diagram of email message. And in that one, we just noticed every email message will have what? Head part and body part. In head part, headers will be there, which carry main information, and body part actually carries what? Email messages with attachment or without attachment. And body part can be multi-part or uni-part. Uni-part means it will carry one kind of message. Multi-part means it will carry different types of messages, including text content, attachments like audio files, video file, images, and number of things. Right, guys? Okay, now listen carefully. Whenever you add Java Mail Starter to the Spring Boot project, you will get Java Mail Sender object providing abstraction on Java Mail API, connecting to mail server, especially what? Outgoing server, based on the properties we provide in what? Application.properties. What are the properties we provide in application.property file, guys? This kind of properties. So many properties are there. Am I going to remember them? No. They are available in the internet, copy paste. They are available in the internet, copy paste. But from my side, one small request: in one person or two persons, please give your email ID and password and allow me to do future settings. That means I have to do some settings in your email account. So I have to get into your account. Password also required. If you have any like a standby email ID kind of thing, backup email ID kind of thing, on which I can do some settings. Okay, please give me that username and password, because I cannot expose my email ID and password in front of public. Right? Okay. So, yes, I already got it, guys. I already got it. I'm going to use them. Okay, now not required. Everyone else not required, guys. Okay, let's get into the coding part. So, yes, let's get into the, what's the workspace? 618. Don't worry, I'll share everything, application, everything I'll share with you. Yeah, let me close all the editors. That's good. New others Spring Starter project. New others Spring Starter project. Here is my mail pros 01. Yeah, it's going to be standalone application, guys. Don't worry about that. Because I'm making my standalone Java application or Spring Boot application as a mail client to mail server. Okay, from this application through mail server's outgoing server, which is running with SMTP protocol, I want to send email messages to multiple people at the end of one business transaction, like some at the end of shopping activity, purchasing activity. That's good. Okay. I'm going to take Lombok API, but I'm going to add Java Mail Sender. Yes, check it out. Java Mail Sender. That's good. Fine. Don't worry. Same project I'll keep in other workspace also. It's a common topic for all the students. So now I'm creating the project. Yeah. Look at the pom.xml that is generated. Yes, in this. It has come now, boss. In this, that is has come now. Those are getting video and audio problem. Please rejoin. Please rejoin. Everything is perfect here. You want me to show internet speed in this place? Okay. Fast dot. It's 120, 150 Mbps, right? Even 210. It has touched 210. So from my side, no question of getting problems. If anyone is having issues, please check your side, check your network bandwidth, check your devices, audio, video devices, please. That's really good. Okay. So we got the pom.xml, guys. Okay, that's good. So here what I do is I first open application.properties file. In that, Omkar has given some username and password. I'm going to paste it, but I will reuse that later. And I'll go to ChatGPT or Google.com, anywhere, wherever you want, you can go. Right. What is that? Gmail SMTP properties for Spring Boot mail application. Gmail properties for this one. There's a website. This website says I'm going to support you providing those properties. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, here so many things are there. We are going to add more also, don't worry. So many things are there. We are going to add more also by taking our paintbrush reference, our running notes reference, guys. Not well. This is a host name, smtp.gmail.com. Yesterday I said Gmail is having outgoing server. Its host name is what? smtp.gmail.com. In that host of internet environment, it is running on which port number? 587. Right. Okay, this is from email address. That means sender side email address, guys. Simple, boss. So right now I'm planning to send email message from my business application to multiple people, right? Or customers. So definitely sender side email address. Sender side email address is required or not required? Definitely required. Please be active in the classes. Please be active, guys. Copy this. Yeah, this password need to be changed later. For the timing, I'm giving that password. Okay. Later, through settings, we are going to generate one password as a secret ID, and that secret ID you have to place here. There's a procedure for that. There is a procedure for that. Okay, don't worry. If I don't give this password also, not a issue, guys. This has to be changed. This has to be changed later. Okay, but if you look at here, there are so many other properties now. More other additional properties are there. Something like some protocol, start TLS, enable, required, authentication is required, connection timeout, or write timeout. These are additional properties, boss. These two are related to security protocols, guys. This is definitely authentication is mandatory. Connection timeout. What do you mean by connection timeout? While trying to establish the connection with outgoing server, it will try for what? 5,000 seconds. If connected, fine. If not connected, it has to throw the exception. Okay, overall timeout. 10,000 second. Okay, overall connection timeout. Write timeout. While sending email message, it will try to send that email message in this particular 5,000 second. If fail to send, it will throw exception. That's the meaning of these properties. Okay, whatever it is. So now let's see, guys. Enable true, and what is there? Required true. So another property we got required. Enable true required. I hope that is there now. Required true. Next, SMTP authentication, connection timeout, write timeout. Yeah, it's already there. Fine, that's good. Connection timeout, some number. Write timeout, some number. Only timeout, some big number. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, based on these properties, Java mail sender object will be created having connection with the outgoing server of the Gmail mail server. What server? Gmail mail server. That sounds great. Okay, next, let's concentrate on our business activity, guys. So let me create a small shopping kind of business method, shopping activity business method. Yeah, that's here is what package com dot nt dot service. Oh, this is interface I have taken. Let me create a package. New package com dot nt dot You can take a runner class, runner or client application. That's up to you. So here I'm designing a method, guys. I'm designing a method interface. I purchase management service. I purchase management service. Yes, Sagar, from my side, no issues. Please check your side. Here I am designing a method, boss. Here I am designing a method. Public string, public string. Shopping is the business method. Shopping is the business method. That's good. Sounds good. Yeah. Can you guess the parameters of this business method, guys? So generally, when we go for shopping, what are the inputs we provide? Yeah. Number one, string array of items. What items we purchase, right? Next, okay, a double array of prices. Double array of prices, right? Okay, that's good. Okay, but now listen carefully. I'm interested to send. I'm interested to send the transaction related message. The transaction related message to email ID of the customer, right? Email ID of the customer. Right now, my target is sending email, not the SMS. SMS is a different discussion. Triggering SMS message is a different discussion. That needs another API, another setup. So we are going to ask customer email account or not. Okay. For better practice, guys, for better practice, I'm going to ask multiple email messages, multiple email IDs, boss. To prove that I can send this email message to multiple people. String array emails. So these are what? These are what I configured in application.is was senders. This is what? Receivers email messages. Receivers email messages, right guys? Email IDs, I mean to say. Receivers email IDs. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Now let's implement this method, boss. Let's implement this method in service IMPL class. Purchase service IMPL. Purchase service IMPL and I purchase service. I think class is missing management. Purchase management service IMPL. Here is what? I purchase management service, guys. Finish. Okay. At the rate service. That's good. Private Java mail sender. Private Java mail sender, guys. Look at the relationship here. What is the thing I have given? Java mail sender is an interface and its implementation class is what? Java mail sender IMPL. But whenever we are trying to do auto wiring based injection, we take as a property of type interface, of type implementation class, of type interface, of type implementation class. Definitely we take of type interface, right? Okay, guys. Here I am taking sender. At the rate auto wide. Injection is done, boss. Injection is done. Okay, here I'm going to calculate the business bill amount. Calculate the bill amount. That's good. Yeah. double total amount is equal to 0.0 f 0.0. That's nice, guys. Here I'm taking a small for loop. Okay, here is double P prices. Double P prices. Yeah. Total amount is equal to total amount is equal to total amount plus P. Total amount is equal to total amount plus P. That's good. So we got the bill amount, guys. We got the bill amount. That's nice. Okay. Now I want to compose a message, guys. What I want to do is I want to compose a message. Yeah. String message one is equal to, I'll tell what is the, why I'm taking message one. Right. Tell me. Arrays dot, what guys? Arrays dot to string of items are purchased. Purchased. Having prices. Arrays dot to string of prices. Okay. With the bill amount. With the bill amount. What is the total? This is the message I generated. Okay. Now I'm just giving break to that method implementation. I'll continue later. Here I'm taking one private method. Generally, private methods are visible outside the class, boss? No, they are not visible outside the class. Then why we are taking private method? To use them within the class, to bring the modularity within the class and to reuse them within the class, right? So I don't want to mix up bill amount generation logic and mail sending logic, boss. Though actually they are part of single activity, I don't want to mix up. I want modularity for mail sending activity. So I'm taking a private method exclusively having logic of what? Sending email message. That private method I'm going to call inside my shopping method so that I can achieve modularity or not. Definitely I can achieve modularity or not. Come on, guys. I want reply. Yes. Okay. I want reply from you people. Be active. Don't be drowsy. Don't be sleepy. I want active. That should reflect in your chat box. Yeah. Tell me hi. Send mail. Send mail. Tell me, boss. In send mail, we need a message. We need a message. What message you want to send? That message. Anyhow, that is there with us. Right. Next, string array email IDs. From there only we can get the email IDs. String array to email IDs. String array email IDs. Next, string from ID, from email ID. String array to email ID, string from email ID. But from email ID is what? The basic email ID that we are specifying in application.properties. How to get it, guys? How to get it? Here we can inject na boss happily. Private string. What is there? Private string from email ID. Yes, guys. There, at the rate value annotation, dollar for bracket. Tell me here, string dot What's the key, guys? Mail dot username. String dot mail dot username. At the rate value. Okay, that's good. From email ID. I think these are enough, guys. Now there should be a return type. Whether mail sent or not, some status is required or not. Some status is required or not. Okay, that's good. That's why here also I have taken return type as what this. Okay, now focus my dear. Here some Java Mail API code you have to write, guys. So look at this code a little bit. Yeah, this is like this. Mime message is equal to sender dot create mime message. It is now creating an empty email message. Okay, but if you take this object, guys, we cannot attachment to that email message. If you want to allow attachment, you have to take my message helper is equal to new my message helper of message. Now observe, guys, because of this object, message object will get the ability of adding attachment. Up to this, it allows single part, unique part. But because of this, it allows multiple parts in the body, multi-part body. Yeah, what is this, true or false? Do you want to allow multiple parts or not? Do you want to allow multi-part or not? That's the meaning of this true, guys. After that, it's just about saying what? From address, CC, subject, date, text message, and I'm intentionally keeping what? Some image, guys, so that we can feel attachment is also sent. So that we can feel attachment is also sent. Lastly, you call sender dot send message and mail sent is the result. So shall we start doing that, guys? My message. See, I'm trying to use jakarta.mail.internet. So I'm still using plain Java Mail API to construct the basic message, guys. My message is equal to sender dot, what, guys? Sender dot create my message. Super, guys. Tell me. My message helper is equal to new my message helper of message comma. See, Boolean multi-part. False means it does I think I'm audible. I'm visible. Nothing happened. Small glitch in the power supply. I'm back. I did not do anything when power gone. When power has gone, I did not do anything. Right. My message represent each email message, but in that one, attachments cannot be added. My message helper allows us. Okay. I did not discuss anything in the power outage time. Got it, my dear? Fine. Everyone, please come back. You are on the track. You are on the track. Please come out of that psychological feeling. See, my message represent email message. My message represents email message, but in that one, attachments cannot be added. But my message helper that is created on the top of message object allows us to add attachments to the message. What kind of attachment? Images, audio files, video file, anything kind of thing. Right? Okay, super. Represents email message. Represents email message with message allowing the attachments. Yeah, that's good. But it should be true or false. Yeah, if true is there, then only it allows attachments, guys. If false, it does not allow attachments, right? Okay, that sounds great. Yeah, nothing is there, guys. I don't want to catch and handle exception. I want to propagate the exceptions, guys. So here I say throws exception. A good programmer does not catch and handle exception in service persistence layer. You always do it what? Controller or client application, right, boss? So that's why everywhere I'm saying throws exception. That's good. Here also I'm saying throws exception. Fine, boss. New Mime message helper message comma true. Mime message helper message comma true. Helper dot helper dot set date, set sent date, new date of. That's good. I'm now setting the header values, guys. I'm simply setting the header value. Nice. Helper dot set from. What is that? Set from address, from email ID. I set helper dot set CC or PCC. You can use anything. Other day I was talking difference between CC and BCC also. Remember that? Set CC of two email IDs, right, boss? That's good. Set subject. What is there? Set subject. Okay, I'm just keeping funny subject, guys. Open it to know it. I'm actually hard coding. You can get from business method also. You can get from business method also, but I'm just keeping funny one. Anything you can write that is not fixed. Okay, guys. Set body. Set multi-part body, guys. Yeah. Helper dot helper dot set text. That text message I am going to set. Helper dot add attachment. Something called add attachment is there or not there, guys? NIT.jpg. Hey, this is just a name, guys. This is just a name. Anything you can give. Anything. This is display purpose. This is just for display purpose. Whatever name you give, that will come, guys. Attach file name. But you have to give the location, boss. You have to give the location where that is available. You have to give the location where that is available. I'm saying new class path resource of some image I will keep, guys, in resources folder, and that I will try to send. 1 minute. In my system, so many images are there. Okay, in my system, so many images are there. Class content, images folder, right? Here is what? Images folder. Okay, this is related to shopping now, boss. Any shopping related images are there? Let me check. Actually, DigJam is there. That sounds good. DigJam, we'll try to send this one only. Some image, guys, some image. To give the feeling, not only text content we are able to send, non-text content also. Okay. So I have taken that image, guys. Here is what? Paste. Digjam.jpg. 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 Here is what? Digjam.jpg. Perfect. Right. This is a multi-part body, guys. This is text part. This is image part. Super, guys. Send the message. Sender dot send message. Okay. Return. You want multiple attachment? Add one more attachment. Helper dot add attachment, one more attachment. You repeat this method 100 times, 100 attachments. So simple. Okay. Return. Okay. Email message is sent. Email message is sent. That's good, guys. Super, boss. Now, this is set 2 is not required because we are already putting in set CC. CC is also 2 address only, na? CC also 2 address, right? Set 2 also you can use, set CC also you can use. Both are one and the same. Okay, guys. Trigger the email message. What is there? Trigger the email message. Okay, boss. What is the helper method, guys, here? Send mail. What is the method we got? Send mail. Message 1, email IDs. Message 1, email IDs. What is there? From email ID. Okay, I will make this one as 2 email IDs. Two email IDs. I think it sounds good. 2 email IDs from email IDs. Send mail message 1, comma, 2 email IDs, comma, from email ID. Check it out. Message what you want to send. Where you want to send, from which mail ID you want to send. That's good. So here I will get string message 2 here. Message 1 is my business transaction related business method. Message 2 is having mails delivery status message, guys. Okay, here I don't do anything, guys. Here I'll just put one message, return statement, message 1 dot message. Message 1 dot message 2. That's it. Anything great, guys? Easy. I have taken service interface with one method, business method. In that business method, I have written my business logic of calculating bill amount. Whatever message output came with that, I prepared one message to be delivered to customer. These are the items you purchased. These are the prices. This is the total bill amount. But I want to trigger the email message at the end of the transaction. So I developed one private method having the necessary details. It is delivering the message with attachment, having that bill amount details. Okay. Then I'm making first message and second message together as the outcome of the business method. Together as the final outcome of the business method. com.nt.runner. Here is my class. Here is my class. Spring Boot mail test runner. What runner, guys? Spring Boot mail test runner. Yes, I want to take it as a command line runner. Extends command line runner. It's a class. Class implements interface, right? Command line runner. At the rate component, guys. Here is my add unimplemented methods, boss. Add unimplemented methods. Here I will inject my service class object. I purchase. All these are regular stuff or not, guys? Okay. What is this? Purchase service. Sounds great. At the rate auto wide. It's great. At the rate auto wide. Super, guys. Here now I need some email IDs from the students, boss. My dear students, please give me few email IDs. Few email IDs. Okay. First come, first serve, guys. Adil has given. Oh, so many are coming, boss. My screen is scrolling up. Give me a break. Give me a break. So many are coming. Screen got scrolled up, but how to give first priority to Adil? Where are you, Mr. Adil? Adil, you are the first person who sent that message. Okay, I'm pasting this, guys. First of all, let me paste at least 4 email IDs. Okay. First, later I will use in right place. Next, my favorite Chicky. Chicky. Where are you, Mr. 143 Chicky? You are not a normal guy. 143 Chickies. Email ID is what? 143. I hope all these are working now, boss. You get the email ID of Chicky, 143 Chicky. Okay. Next, one girl student should get the priority who are bit active every day. 7th madam. Right? Yeah, another two, boss. Another two. Who are lucky people? Who's those are? Omkar, I cannot take yours one because Dinesh also every day active little bit. Most of the time he says network not working. Am I right, Dinesh? Always he complains that is not coming, this is not coming. Right. Okay. Who is the other people are little active? Umesh Panda, are you from this batch? Yeah. Somesh Panda, I think. Yeah, Somesh Panda is also from this batch. That fine. Okay, I'm giving chance to Prakash, PK. I'm giving chance to Prakash, nothing but PK. That's great, guys. Shall we try this, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, let's go for string result message. What message, guys? Result message. Purchase service dot shopping items. New string array. New string array. Shut. Browser. Next. New double array. What is that? New double array. 9,000 is out of process. 4,000, 5,000, 3,000. Is there, guys? New double array. That trouser hat, guys. Yeah, now new email IDs, new string array. Right. First one, comma, second one, comma, third one, comma. Say paste. Right. Paste. I hope all these email IDs are correct IDs, guys. Cut it. Paste. Done. PK means Prakasha. Semicolon. Yes, guys. Where is the lagging, guys? Why it is giving error? Change method shopping string array, double array. Oh, this should be D capital, nothing else. Wrapper double, guys, not the regular double, wrapper double. This is result message. If any problems comes, exception E dot print stack address. End of the method, end of the class. End of the method, end of the class. That's great, guys. Come on. But listen carefully. Listen carefully. Our mail client is a normal standalone application now, boss. From address belongs to what? Gmail, right? Are you sending email message from the official Gmail inbox or from official Gmail compose box? You are not sending. You are sending from which platform? An Eclipse ID kind of thing, which is a Spring Boot setup, right? Do you really think, do you really think Gmail server, which is a secured server, does it allows this kind of mail client? It does not allow. Really does not allow. Do you really think Gmail server allows mail coming from one standalone application, which is not at all secured? Which is not at all secured. Do you think it really allows that? Definitely does not allow it. I hope you are trying to understand what I. So what we have to do, we have to go to from email account, we have to open the settings of the account and we have to send request to mail server, Gmail mail server from this email ID account. If any mails comes, though they are not secured environment, please allow. Please allow. In that process, you have to create some temporary passwords kind of thing. In that process, you have to create some temporary passwords kind of thing. Yeah, see this? After developing entire application, client application, all this stuff. Before running the application, perform the following operations from sender's email account settings, from email account, right? Use manage Google account. Use manage Google account. See, guys, enable two-step verification. Manage Google account. What is this? Manage. Security, make sure that two-step verification, search for app password, create app name, collect the password, remove the spaces in the password, use it in application.property file as shown below. Then run the application. You have to do those settings, guys. Otherwise, if you run like this, you will get exception. Want to feel the exception? Let me show the exception. Okay, let me run this application. Java X Java application. We think that everything is perfect, but what did he say? Username, password not accepted. For more information, go to this. It's saying that with that password, in from having this kind of setup, you cannot send email message. You have to do something by managing the account. So Omkar, you may get OTP, notification, all this stuff because I'm trying to get into your account, boss. I'm trying to get into your account. How to show na? If you do, it's not going to work out. How to show means that I only should do that. Then only people understands what I'm doing to achieve the required result. Okay, Gmail. Let me say log out, add another account. Omkar, can you tell me the email ID? What you use? How to do? I will do settings in front of everyone. Later, after going home, you change everything, guys. If you have any problem, let me know. I will take someone else email ID. Yeah. Password, I think you already shared with me. Hyundai. Great password. Yeah, now it will doubt me. You have a Nokia 6.1 plus. That phone is in still active, and still Nokia phones are in active state. Surprisingly. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's your mother phone. Good, 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 good. Skip done. Yeah, Omkar, I'm getting into your account. I'm getting into account. Manage your Google account. Manage your Google account. Security. Clear cut procedure is given. Make sure that two-step verification is enabled. Two-step verification is enabled. Two-step verification is off. We should enable it. Yeah, again asking the password once again. Okay, here is the password. Already in copy mode only, na? Okay. Say paste. Once again, say next. Again, ask confirmation, boss. Please give confirmation. Yes, you are so good. You're so fast. I'm happy for that. Turn on two-step verification. Turn on two-step verification. Copy, paste. From which country it is, guys? India. Say next. Yeah, you might have got verification code. Yeah, it's someone is touching your security of account. Definitely, it will try to validate many things from you. Otherwise, it's not a Gmail, right? Okay. Adding the phone number, guys. Right. That's good. You are now protected with this two-step verification, guys. After that, what is there? The problem, these people will change procedure every time. Yeah, then two-step verification is enabled, guys. So now I have to search for what? Search for, what's the one I have to search for, guys? Let me search for app security. Yeah? What is there? Search for app password. Search for app password. Okay. Go to security settings. Search for what is there? App password. Search for app password. There's something called app passwords, guys. Yeah, it is again asking to confirm. Is it you? Please confirm, Karna. Omkar. Thank you for confirming. Yeah, now it is asking to create the app name. Asking me to create the app name. You don't have any password. I'm creating app name as application one. Any name you can take, guys. Any name you can take. Any name you can take. Create. Some password is generated. Yeah, taken the password, guys. Let me paste here. Let me paste here first. Later we'll do something with that. Say done. Say done. App is created, password is there. Now come to this place. Remove the spaces first. Remove the spaces first. That's great. Cut, guys. Here is paste. Cut, guys. Here is paste. So now I have, instead of regular password, I have submitted the app password. I have submitted the app password. I hope you got it. Exact procedure I kept it, guys. Create app name, create, collect the password, remove spaces in the password, use it in application.properties file, use generated password in application.properties by removing the spaces, whatever it is. Okay. Super. We did it. And now I'm going to run it. Everyone whose email IDs are given to me, the moment you, actually 1 minute pause, 1 minute, something for demonstration. I have to do one thing here. One thing, 1 minute. Go to the runner. I had my regular email ID was. Nataraj@gmail.com. Nataraj Java Arena. Something is there now. Is it spelled right, guys? Nataraj Java Arena@gmail.com. I have one personal mail ID also. Nataraj@gmail.com. Okay, I have added multiple things. Why did you add personal? Nothing is there. I can show in my screen. I cannot say others have got it. That's the end of the story. I have to prove, na? That's why I'm also adding my own email ID in the system that is configured. Yeah, it takes bit time means success, boss. Without taking time, it is giving output means error. See, shirt trouser hat are purchased, having prices this, with the bill amount, email message is sent. We're triggering the email message. Okay, the people say refresh. Not. Oh, people, I think it has not come to my inbox, guys. Can I see in the spam or somewhere else? Can I see in the spam or somewhere else? Otherwise, let me go for all mail. Did you get anyone else get the email message, guys? You people also not received? Oh, not came, not came. 1 minute. Spam, check in the spam. Check in the spam. Came or not came? Not there. Super, but what it's confirming message is sent. It's a confirming message is sent. Okay. One more time we'll see, guys. This is the procedure, boss. And we are not getting any exception also. Did you notice that? No, I'm using in runner, boss. Runner. Runner will automatically no, runner will automatically do the things, right? Or what you posted in the group, guys. Okay. Yeah, I'll do one thing, guys. I'll do one thing. Instead of not Facebook group. What is need of Facebook group, guys? Wait a minute. Set to okay. Instead of CC, can I go for two? I'll go for set to. CC may be not working properly. I'll change that one to two. Wait, Babu, I have shown lot of times to lot of batches. Yes, that's good. Come to our account, refresh to our account, refresh. Still no luck. Check in the spam also. That means this Gmail people have taken some decision, changed the settings, not came. It's a great thing. Let's verify the code that we got. See, here also set CCC only I used, guys. From email to emails, open it to know it, new date, images, send, all this stuff. Or purchased. Oh, there's no wrong from our side. Properties are anything wrong. Start TLS, authentication to connection timeout, SMTP. No, you send one mail or multiple mail really does not matter, boss. That really does not matter. Okay, that really does not matter. Set to email IDs. My message, helper, new my message, helper of message, comma true. No, you pass helper message one and the same. You pass the helper, you pass the message. Helper is not allowed, guys. Message only out. It is designed to take message only. It is designed to take messages only. That's right. That is designed to take messages only, boss. It's not about debugging, guys. Application is going from our side nicely. Maybe server settings are disturbing. Because not even exception coming, na. So maybe server is blocking. Maybe server is blocking the things. Look at the service method first, array, prices, email IDs. In runner also, this double email IDs. Yeah, it's good. Why it is behaving like this? We are getting confirmation message. We are getting confirmation message. If we are getting exception, would have thought something might have gone wrong, right? But we are happily getting confirmation message. Send mail, send mail. Yeah, I kept it true only, na? Kept it true only. Log out, login is not the issue. Search with subject. Okay. Open it to know it. Hey, it came, Babu. Hey, it came. Please. Please notice. It came or not? Check it out, guys. Guys, everyone. One attachment, jig jam, prices. It's coming or not coming? But I think it's showing in the receivers one, right? See, in the list also it is showing a number of things. Date 24, 8/39, these many email IDs, right? Okay, two is not there, but these many email IDs are there. But it is in sender's account we are searching. Okay, got it, got it. It is showing that sender has sent 3 messages, guys. Sender has sent 3 messages. Okay. Okay, let me check sent mails. In sent mails, okay, see, in sent mails, it is there. All 3 mails are there. All 3 mails are there. In sent mails, all 3 mails are there. So it is doing its job. Okay, 1 minute. We come to this inbox, refresh. I think Gmail people are blocking, guys. Gmail people are blocking. Okay. Yeah, you are not receiving. I understood. Okay, open it to know it. Open it to know it. to know it. But it's showing September 11, last 7 days. Maybe. No, this is different. This is last September 11. No, this is last time. This work last time, last batch. Last batch, it seems, this one. But we should get from where? We should get from Omkar, right? Yeah. From Omkar account, we should get it, guys. Right. Omkar to gmail.com. I think Omkar, I think some settings issues are there in your account. Can I try with others account, guys? Anyone else can give your password, username and password? Anyone else? Anyone else can give that? I think I can try from myself. Why? Because anyhow, I need not to give the real password, only app password only I can give, right? Okay, let me try with from my account. Nataraj at gmail.com. Nataraj at gmail.com. App password will do later. Now I need not to expose my original password, right? It's all about temporary password only. Yes, guys. Manage your Google account. Manage your Google account. Yeah, security. Security. I think two-step verification is on, guys. Okay. 2011 onwards, it is on. So I need not to worry about that. Search for app password. Search for app password. App password. I got it. Say next. Oh, I forgot this password, Rababu. Please. What's another way? What's another way of getting into this account, guys? Guys, few minutes. Give me a few minutes, things will be in control. Otherwise, can I take someone else this one? Okay. It's saying my device connected. Yeah, it's allowing, boss. It's allowing. App name, application one, create, password has come. Password has come. Okay. Say paste. Remove the spaces. No extra space also, guys. No extra space. Right, boss? Done it. One app is created, boss. One app is created. So now, fine, no problem. From my application, I'm also, all right, in this list, I'm removing this. If you keep also, no problem, If you keep also, no problem, because you can send to our own email account from the same account. Yeah, run as Java application. Run as Java application. It is saying I sent email message. Okay. Go to this place, inbox. Yes, now it came. I think Omkar, problem is your side, Rabab. You give me 2 minutes attention, you know. What happened? What happened? What happened? Omkar, some problem is there in your account. Some problem is there in your account. It's coming now. It's coming. 1 minute. Otherwise, what I do is I'll try to add Omkar email ID in this place. In the place of Nataraj, I'll try to add. Omkar, can you tell me your email account? Omkar, because you know your inbox with me. At gmail.com. Omkar, 2 minutes you made me to feel little tense. What happened all of a sudden? I thought Google Gmail people changed this procedure. I thought for a minute. Fine. That's why patience is very important, guys. I hope you enjoyed this session. Yeah, now it is Omkar account, guys. Go to his inbox. His inbox. What, mister? Nothing is coming in your application. I think your account is having some issue, my dear. Okay. Hello. I think he changed email ID. Actually, it is not the mail ID you have given, Omkar. It is not the email ID that you have given, Omkar. This is not the email ID. Then why mail is not coming to your mail account? Fine, leave it, boss. Omkar, I am refreshing, boss. I am refreshing. Okay. I have given different ID. This is not the ID. Second time you want this. This is right. One is wrong. He given me one only. He has given me one only. In that one is not there. Two is there. Sure. Omkar, two is there. One is there. Dirty fellow, you dog. You cannot give a proper email ID also. Why are you keeping me in tense mode every time? Fine. I just copy pasted his email ID. Okay, fine. Omkar, let's see. It came, boss. It came. Fine. I need not to prove by asking someone. No, it's coming or not coming. It's coming or not coming, boss. Dinesh, Ravanti madam, Chiki, my favorite Chiki, please confirm whether you have received email message or not. Received, huh? That's great. But listen, as of now, what is the limitation? As of now, what is the limitation? Spring Boot Mail is providing abstraction only towards sending email messages. Reading, deleting, not possible. If you want to do, we have to do by using plain Java Mail API. If you want to do, you have to do by using plain Java Mail API. Right? Maybe in future they provide, but as of now, that is not there. Superna? Okay. For outsiders, let me give the notes. For my regular students, I'll give the notes. For outsiders also, I'll give the notes. Right. This is my Facebook group, guys. This is my Facebook group. I'll share the URL with you. This is the URL. Enter key. This is the URL. Enter key. That's great. Here I'm uploading the file. Okay, I'll place for everyone. Common topics, Spring Boot mail. Here is the document. Here is the document, guys. Okay, post it. Yeah, this is for outsiders who are attending this class. My regular batch students are there. For them, I'll upload them in a regular or Google Workspace. How does it works on real-time means in industry and mail server authentication? From an address, they will just keep the temporary password and they will start sending for every business transaction. They'll start sending for every business transaction, FRP. Whenever you do bank transaction, we are getting or not. Mr. FRP and others. I'll take regular batches also, guys. I'll take regular batches also. Very soon my batches are going to come. Okay, guys, very soon my batches are going to come. Just put request in the office people, right? I will be taking new batches, don't worry. Okay, let's get into Google Drive. Yeah, new batches will be started very soon, guys. New batches will be, no, nowadays I'm stopped taking advanced Java. I'll be taking only DevOps and Spring Boot microservices real-time project. Yeah, what's your batch code, guys? 16.8. Yeah, let me create a new folder. Spring Boot mail. You need to learn advanced Java, but its priority is reduced. That's why I'm not taking session. Basic knowledge of advanced Java is still required, but there's no need of learning depth part of it. Still basic content is required. Basic knowledge is required. Yeah. Content, guys, Spring, common topics. Here is what, where is this? Spring Boot security, Spring Boot mail. This is the one. Yeah, this is one thing, guys. Right. What's another batch we got? 7 p.m. batch, right? Okay. Spring Boot mail. No, those are common topics, guys, but